goddamn
What are you doing?
I'm washing my goddamn. Thanks to you, fat son of a bitch.
He had to
All
get
you had
it.
to do is tell the goddamn motherfucker wash these to the goddamn dump. Now I got no goddamn. I gotta wash my goddamn drawers
Oh my God.
in the goddamn pool. This ain't worth a
Dad,
fuck.
he was gonna get the cops.
I don't give a fuck about the cops. I can lie to them motherfuckers. It's your goddamn fault. You had to help me lift it out of the goddamn house, man. The fuck is your problem? Goddamn, having to use the pool. What the fuck you looking at?
Something that I have to point out.
What you didn't even get the fuck away from me. Goddamn mother.
What? Oh my God, there's stains in the drawer.
Well, I can't get them out.
You ain't doing a very good washing.
Let me tell you one motherfucking thing.
How much is the bill for that piece of crap?
We only owe $50 more on it, motherfucker.
Then why don't you just pay it?
'Cause I ain't got $50. If I had $50 goddamn dollars, I'd goddamn beat the motherfucker. Oh. I ain't got $50. And you know, you, Mr. Big Shit, I have to carry it out, sir. You remind me of goddamn Stephen Fetch.
It was either that or you go to jail.
I'd have gone to jail. They wouldn't have got the goddamn washer.
Yeah, they would.
Stupid goddamn piece of fuck. Bills that you do.
You have to wash the shirt over it.
That was so hard to. Yeah, you rewash that shirt now.
What the fuck are washing the goddamn pool anyway? Y'all need to get the fuck away from me. You, my damn mother.
Whoa! Ah!
Next time, don't you offer shit. We'd have still had the motherfucking wash machine. You goddamn piece of motherfucking shit. We'd have still had the goddamn washing machine. But now, here I have to take it out. You step and fetch motherfucker.
Would you stop, please?
Beat your motherfucking ass. Tell you that right goddamn now. You understand me, motherfucker? Don't you volunteer enough. What the fuck you laugh at? You goddamn black-haired mother.
It's crazy. Whoa.
I hate you.
I want to take my clothes to the laundromat.
Yeah, we can go to a laundromat.
I ain't got nobody with goddamn laundry. We gotta wash them in the pool. Here, give me your goddamn shirt.
Whoa!
Give me your goddamn shirt. I'll wash that motherfucker too.
Hey! Oh, God! The eye!
Now I gotta rewash the goddamn shirt. God damn. What the fuck you got? You can turn that goddamn camera. Motherfucker.
Damn it, Jenny. Hold the camera.
Tell you right now. How'd I get the stains out my drawer?
Bleach.
Goddamn. Look at them goddamn motherfuckers.
You have to scrub those out or throw them away one.
You gotta throw those away.
You gonna swim in it later, right?
No, not now.
Get out of my goddamn sight. I've had enough. Turn that motherfucker off.
Seriously, you gotta just go get a new washing machine.
Ain't got the money, you dumb fuck. How hard is it to understand?
Just go look at the dump. I'm sure they're gonna throw the one they took back.
Goddamn lightning wiped out all the shit we fucking had, got no money. Tell you what,
My computer still works.
mine don't, mine blew up. Motherfucker. By the way, where'd you get the new camera?
I get paid. If you would have told me we owed on a washing machine, I would have given you the money.
Do what he just did.
Here.
What the hell? Calm down, please.
You ate.
You better get out of here.
What is that thing?
Gorilla.
Oh!